Welcome to another video. Today we'll be cooking a family-sized Bengali beef curry. The full recipe and ingredients will be listed in the description below. To begin with, we will be putting 3 ladles of oil into a large cooking pan. 3 ladles is generally or equal to 12 tablespoons. So here we've got some onions, beef, chili, garlic, ginger, cloves, bay leaf and some spices. Firstly, we'll be adding some ginger and garlic, 2.5 cloves crushed and half a nugget of ginger crushed as well. Then we will add 5 chopped onions. Once we've added the onions, we need to now stir well, ensuring the ginger and the garlic is well mixed with the onions. Now we will be adding 3 tablespoons of salt. Now, increase the heat to a medium to high heat. Keep an eye on the onions frequently. Allow the onions to cook for 10 minutes to soften. Thoroughly wash the beef. Once the onions have turned soft, we will be adding the beef. Add 3 kilos of diced beef. Stir and mix well. Now we will be adding the remaining ginger and garlic. Now we will be adding a handful of cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 bay leaves, and 2 to 3 cardamom seeds, and finally 2 to 3 cloves. This step is optional. Prepare the chilies and add them to the pan. Add 200 to 300 milliliters of water. Now add a tablespoon of salt. Now place the lid and let sit for 25 to 30 minutes. We will be keeping an eye on the onions. We want them to melt away. Now we will be adding the spices. Each spice is 1.5 teaspoons. Now we will add a further 200 to 300 milliliters of water and reduce to a low heat. Add more green chilies if you want. Now place lid and let sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, stir well. Place lid again for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, stir. Now add 400 milliliters of water in 2 stages. Add 8 to 10 halved baby potatoes and stir well. Add 300 milliliters of water. Finally, garnish with coriander. Place lid for 30 minutes. Serve and enjoy.